Hello, my name is Selena. I'm a registered dietitian and also the Celebrate Vitamins Northeast Territory Manager. I'm here to tell you a little more about our product, ReBuild Protein Plus Probiotics. ReBuild is a great option for any bariatric surgery patient, but it's also a good option for anyone looking for a high-quality protein shake with the added benefits of probiotics. So a little more about ReBuild. It has 20 grams of whey protein isolate, 0 to 3 grams of sugar, and 90 to 120 calories per shake. We also have 1 billion colony-forming units of a probiotic called Bacillus coagulans and the necessary prebiotic fiber to help feed that probiotic to keep it alive and well so it can get to work in your gut. The flavors include Berry Burst, iced decaf coffee, chocolate, cookies and cream, and my favorite flavor, peanut butter cookie. We also have an unflavored as well. Now, I would recommend mixing this up in your blender bottle. It comes in a 15-serving tub or a convenient single-serving packet as well if you'd like to use it on the go. So to mix this shake, measure out 8 ounces of water, which you can do on the side here, and add 2 scoops of protein to get your 20 grams of protein. Make sure your lid is on nice and tight, and then just mix it away. It mixes down very nicely with a smooth texture. You're also welcome to do it in the blender and mix with milk or juice and adjust the water or liquid level as you like. So this is our Berry Burst flavor. And it's very flavorful on its own, but I also like to make this with frozen blueberries in the blender. Now, my favorite thing about the ReBuild protein shake is that it includes probiotics for your gut health. So you can get the benefits of 2 products in one.